Leviate Air Group is pleased to bring to market this remarkable 2016 Honda Jet. One of the world's most advanced jets of its class, taking you higher and faster with 20% more fuel efficiency and cabin space. Equipped with the remarkable 2,000-pound thrust GE Honda HF120-H1A turbofan power plant, flight level 430 will be effortlessly attained as these impressive engines effectively reduce the time to climb by more than 40%. This distinctive over-the-wing engine mount design allows for an expansive cabin, allocating 60 cubic feet of space per passenger, ensuring plush accommodations that aren't found in any other jet of its class. This large cabin space can also be accredited to its lightweight fuselage, constructed entirely of graphite composites, delivering heavyweight performance and increasing fuel efficiency. This Honda Jet includes a single side-facing seat, maximizing passenger capacity without compromising comfort. Using a conformal mapping method, the innovative natural laminar flow airfoil was developed to maximize the aerodynamic performance of the Honda Jet. This highly sophisticated and truly integrated flight deck features the Honda customized Garmin G3000 Avionics suite. This all-glass avionics system incorporates an advanced layout with 3 14-inch displays and dual touchscreen controllers for overall avionics control and flight plan entries. With the avionics and airframe covered under the P² service plan and both engines on the EMC², consider this magnificent machine always cleared for takeoff. With every detail meticulously considered, from the leather-wrapped yoke, the massive 66 cubic feet of total stowage space, the 2 skylight windows on the ceiling enhancing an already spacious lavatory, Honda delivers one of the world's most advanced jets of its class. When making this jet investment, not only should you consider the aircraft, but also the ingenuity that stands behind this breathtaking machine.